What if a device smaller than a grain of rice could communicate directly with your brain? Not through science fiction mind reading, not through magic, but through the same electrical signals that allow you to think, remember, learn, and move. That future may be closer than you think. Scientists are developing microscopic neural interfaces capable of interacting with living neurons, while at the same time achieving an extraordinary breakthrough, printing living brain cells that can grow, connect, and communicate. To understand why this is so important, consider the incredible machine already inside your head. The human brain contains roughly 86 billion neurons connected through trillions of synapses. Every memory you've ever formed, every face you've ever recognized, every emotion you've ever felt, exists because these neurons continuously exchange information. What's even more remarkable is how efficient the brain is. While advanced artificial intelligence systems require enormous data centers consuming vast amounts of electricity, your brain performs astonishing computations using only about 20 watts of power, less energy than many household light bulbs. Nature remains the undisputed champion of intelligent design. Now scientists are attempting to learn from that design. Using advanced 3D bioprinting technology, researchers can place living cells layer by layer with extraordinary precision. Instead of printing ink, they print biology. Among those printed cells are neurons, the building blocks of thought itself. Once created, these neurons begin extending tiny branches called axons and dendrites. They search for neighboring cells, they form connections, and eventually they begin communicating through electrical signals. In other words, scientists are creating living neural networks. At the same time, tiny neural interfaces are being developed to act as translators between electronics and biology. One side communicates with computers, the other communicates with neurons. Together, these technologies may help repair damaged spinal cords, restore lost memories, improve treatments for neurological diseases, and accelerate breakthroughs in brain research. Some experts believe neuroscience could become the defining scientific frontier of this century. Future hospitals may print replacement neural tissue. Brain injuries that are permanent today may become treatable tomorrow, and intelligent devices may work alongside living neurons to help restore human function. The goal isn't to replace the human brain, it's to understand it. Because even in the age of artificial intelligence, the most advanced computer ever created is still the one nature built. And for the first time, scientists are beginning to print pieces of it.